And good afternoon. This is my Jeep update for Saturday, October 30th, 2021. And today I am doing a little driveway maintenance, and I may do a little Jeep maintenance later. This driveway maintenance is not going to be much. My paint came in last night, but this block here needs a second coat. This block here, because I still got a lot of, I noticed after cleaning and pressure washing, I still had some, it looked like oil, probably from the Jeep, that some leaked on there over a period of time, and it was wet and it was oily. So I cleaned it off again, washed it with soap, rinsed it real good, and it's got to dry for several hours at minimum before you can put any paint on it. So I'm gonna let this dry. Now this here, I'm gonna let this dry for another hour or so, because it was overcast. We got rain last night, and it was raining. It was raining this morning when we woke up. It cleared up by 11 o'clock, and now I got direct sunlight on it, so in an hour or two, I'll probably wait 2 hours. They say on YouTube, on the videos I've seen, it says the concrete's got to be good and dry and no moisture in it if you want it to stick good. Now this here, I may still have to do some work on this. That block down there is okay, the pressure wash. So if I have to wait a couple of days on this, I can park my Jeep out on the curb and do that second block and this block. I got to have at least one parking space for now. That block has been painted pretty heavily, but I wanted to put another coat on it also. Anyway, that's where we're staying right now. And on the Jeep, if I have time, I'm not sure if this will be as easy as the Expedition, but yeah, let's park back. But in an earlier video, just like the Expedition, the AC heater actuator, I think is bad in here, because I hear the clicking noise, and that's what the Expedition was doing. And I changed out the actuator, and worked fine. It's back to normal. And so that's what I think might be wrong with the Jeep. Now I've looked, what I've researched and found is that a common problem with them is the blend doors coming apart in there, the hinges or whatever. But with that noise in there, I think it might be my actuator motor. So I'm going to check that out. I've got it right here. Yeah, it's another China part, and I don't know if that's coming in. Another China part. One from that I got for the Expedition is also from China, but it seemed to work fine. Anyway, I don't know if I'll get that today, but maybe tomorrow if not. But we'll see, and if any progress, I'll update. That's my Jeep out for now. Good evening, it's my Jeep update. Still Saturday, October 30th, 2021. It's about 4:30 in the evening, and I just finished up on driveway maintenance. I never made it to the Jeep, because I've been, since after lunch, about 12:30, I've been working on that block right there. Made sure it was dry, good and dry. And what I did, it took me a while to, I hand painted the edges there. That took me a little while. I made sure it was good and dry. I put a good heavy coat on it. And I got on that because it looks like we, it cleared up. It looks like we got some more clouds rolling in. I don't know if we're going to get more rain, but I wanted this to dry for hopefully for a couple hours or more before we get any moisture on it. And this driveway is using a lot more concrete, concrete paint than the garage floor. The floor was a slick concrete. It wasn't as porous as this driveway, and it's just soaking it up. So I use about 1.5 to 2/3 of the gallons on this block, and I've got about 1.5 gallons or so left, and I could probably stretch it out for that block, but I still need to do second coat on this one and some touch-up, and I need to have some for in here to touch up when things get scratched up and stuff like that. But anyway, that's didn't get to the actuator. I don't know if I'm going to do that tomorrow. I might like to get it over with. See if that's going to work. So I can make plans. If it doesn't, I can order me a repair kit for those blend doors. But anyway, that's his future planning for the Jeep. A lot of little things I got to get done now, and like I said, body work's the main thing, and I keep saying that, but I have not taken it to a body shop yet, but I will, and I'll give you a heads up on that when I do. Anyway, that's my Jeep out for now. Yeah, it looks pretty good. I don't know how long it'll stay like that. I noticed this side over here, I just put one coat on it, but it had some marks and scrapes on it. So, I have to really be careful with this stuff. Anyway,
shooting at her. Let's go get the AR-47s.